Hello, kindergarten. Today we're learning about a new shape. We've been talking about triangles the last few days with 3 sides and 3 vertices. Today we're going to talk about rectangles. So we're going to get started with a little rectangle song, and then we'll work through our workbook pages together.
A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. It has 4 right angles, and the opposite sides must be parallel and have the exact same size. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. Draw a rectangle up in the air. Draw a rectangle up in the air. Draw a small 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 rectangle up in the air. Draw a big 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 rectangle up in the air. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. It has 4 right angles, and the opposite sides must be parallel and have the exact same size. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. Walk in the shape of a rectangle. 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 A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides. It has 4 right angles, and the opposite sides must be parallel and have the exact same size. A rectangle is a shape with 4 straight sides.
All right, so that was all about a rectangle. So we're going to switch over to our math page for today. It looks like this. It's lesson 9.7, it says at the top. So I'll give you just a minute to find that page, get your name on the top, and then we'll kind of work through it together. All right. We just learned all about a rectangle. It had how many sides? 4 sides. Now, we have another shape that has 4 sides. Does anybody know what it is? A square. But there's an important thing that helps you remember the difference between a square and a rectangle. What is special about the sides of a square? They are all the same length. A square has 4 sides, but they're all the same. The difference in a square and a rectangle is the rectangle also has 4 sides, but 2 of the rectangle sides are short and 2 of the sides of a rectangle are long. So I want you to think about that. And right here on this side of your paper, I want you to draw me a
Rectangle.
I want you to draw me a rectangle with those 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Give you a minute or 2 to do that. And then we're going to come on this side. And on this side, I want you to draw me a shape.
Not rectangles.
So a shape that is not a rectangle. Think of some of the other shapes we've talked about. And draw me a shape on this side that is not a rectangle. When you're done with that, you can turn to the next page. I'll wait just a minute for everybody to get caught up. All right. On this side, we're going to be going on a shape hunt. We did this the other day for our triangles. Today, we're going to be looking for rectangles. Now, let's talk about a few things first, and then I'm going to let you do this page on your own. So we know that a rectangle has 4 sides. Well, this shape right here has 4 sides. Is it a rectangle? No, because all the sides on this shape are the same. So it is a square. You can kind of remember that S sound. Square, same. To help you remember, a square has the same sides. But what about this shape? It has 4 sides. Is it a square? No, it is a rectangle because look, these 2 sides are short and these 2 sides are long. So that's kind of what we're going to be thinking about as we look at each shape on this page. We're going to be checking to see if it has 4 sides. That means it could be a rectangle, but the next thing we're going to think about is, are the sides, does it have 2 short sides and 2 long sides? And if it does, it's a rectangle. But if all the sides are the same, it's a square. So I want you to look through this page of all these shapes, and I want you to put an X on every shape that you think is a rectangle with 4 sides, 2 short, and 2 long. I'm going to go ahead and give you the rest of the directions, and then you can come back and finish in a minute, okay? On this page, you're kind of going on another shape hunt, but this page you're only going to color the parts of this picture that are rectangles with 4 sides, 2 short, and 2 long. So only color the rectangles. And then on the back, you're going to put an X on any rectangles you see in this row of green shapes. And then you're going to come down here by the yellow sun in this empty space, and you're going to draw me a rectangle with 4 sides in all, but 2 will be short and 2 will be long, and you can color that rectangle, okay? And we'll talk more about rectangles tomorrow and their properties and the sides and the vertices. Okay, so I'll see you then.